Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about operations on functions. This math is intended for grade 8, especially in Philippine science students. I have here the given h of x is equals to x squared plus 8x plus 15. The second function is g of x is equals to 5x plus 5 and then the third function is f of x is equals to x plus 3. Now letter A, the condition if h is negative 1 plus h positive 3, so what's the value? So we are focusing on the h function. So if this is negative 1, so when x is equals to negative 1, so this will be negative 1 squared plus 8 times negative 1 plus 15. So this will be negative 1 squared is positive 1, and then this will be negative 8, then plus 15. I need to combine 1 and 15 because they are positive, so this will be 16. Then minus 8. So this will be 16 minus 8 is 8. So therefore this is 8. And then plus. When x is equal to positive 3. So the same, my function is h. So this will be positive 3 squared. And then plus 8 times positive 3 plus 15. So 3 squared is 9. And then 8 times 3 is 24. Then plus 15. So take note, the numbers are all positive. So I need to sum up these numbers. So 24, 9 plus 15. 15 and then 9. So this is 9 plus 9, 18, carry 1. So 1, 3, 4. So I've got 48. So therefore, the answer is 48 plus 8. This will be 16, carry 1, 5, 6. So therefore, the answer for letter A is 56. Now let's proceed to the next letter B. Letter B is f of 3. So take note, another function times g of negative 1 all over by h 0. Okay, so f of 3. Where's my f? Below or down. So this will be f3. This will be 3 plus 3. That will be equal to 6. So I've got 6 in here. And then times. How about g? My x in g is 1. Negative 1, So this will be negative 1 plus 5. So this will be positive 4. So this will be 4. And then, how about h? When x is equal to 0. So this will be 0 squared plus 8 times 0. Then the last will be 15. So of course, the answer will be 15. Okay, so this will be 6 times 4 is 24. This is over 15. Can we reduce 24 and 15? Yes, by dividing by 3. So this will be 24 divided by 3 is 8. And then 15 divided by 3 is 5. Since this is improper fraction, so I need to come up with the mixed number, So this will be 8. This will be 5, right? How many 5 are there in 8? Only 1. And then since this is 8, so this will be 3. Let us check. 5 times 1 is 5 times 3 is 8. 8 over 5. So the answer for letter B is 1 and 3 over 5. Now let's proceed to letter C. Letter C is f 1/2 minus g 1/3. So f, if this will be half, and then plus 3. So LCD, right? And then I will put 1, To find the LCD, why is it 3? This will be 2. Okay, 2. Then 2 divided by 2 is 1. Times 1 is 1. Plus 2 divided by 1 is 2 times 3, 6. So this will be 7 over 2. So this will be 7 over 2 minus g of x. When x is 3, I mean 1/3, sorry, 1/3 plus 5. Since I don't have a denominator, so I will put 1. And then the LCD will be 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1 times 1, 1. Plus 3 divided by 1 is 3 times 5, 15. So I've got 16 over 3. So this will be 16 over 3. Okay? So this will be, find my LCD between 2 and 3. Just multiply. So this will be 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 7, 21. Then minus 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 16, 32. So what is 32 minus 21? This is 1 and then 1. So I've got 11 over 6. Since this is improper fraction, so I need to come up with this mixed number. So this will be 1. How many 6 do I have in 11? Only 1. And then this will be 5. So let us check. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 5 is 11. So my answer for letter C is 1 and 5, 6. Now let's proceed to the last number or last letter. Letter D. Letter D is H G of 21 minus G H 3. So for G21, okay, my X in G is 21. So this will be 21 plus 5 is 26. So this will be H 26. Then minus G H is 3. H is 3. This will be 3 squared. And then plus 8 times 3 plus 15. So this will be 9 plus 24 plus 15. So this is 24, 15, 9, 18, carry 1, 48. So this will be 48. So it's not yet the final answer. So H 26. So if this will be 26, 26 square plus 8 times 26 plus 15. So what is 26 times 26? 26 times 26. So this will be 36, carry 3. 12, 15. 12, carry 1. 4, 5. This will be 6, 7. 6, 7, 6. So this will be 6, 7, 6 in here. 6, 7, 6 plus 26 times 8. 26 times 8. 48, carry 4. 16, 20. So I've got 208 for 8 times 26. 208, right? Plus 15. So 6, 7, 6. 208 plus 15. This will be 14, 19, carry 1, 9. This is 8. 899. So I've got 899. 899. I've got 899 for H when X is 26. So this is 899. Okay. Next is G of 48. G48. Okay. This will be G48. 48 plus 5. What is 48 plus 5? This will be 13. Carry 1. 53. So, this is 53. I need to erase this one. So, this will be 899. Take away 53. So, this will be 9. Take away 3 is 6. 9 take away 5 is 4. Bring down 8. So, I've got 846. So, my answer for letter D is 846. That's all for this topic.